I recommend you guys to get the size plus in order to get the same as in Europe or in US. For example, this one is the M, but it's the Asian one, and European counterpart for that, or American counterpart for that, is the S. So yeah, it's quite a bit of a misunderstanding, but yeah, if you are from US, get the size up model. Okay guys, so now continuing on to the next item. Here we have the Nike hoodie. So I have purchased a lot of these hoodies in the past, but I lost the link, but now it's there once again. And yeah, I ordered more of these hoodies. So this is how it all looks. This is how it all looks like, guys. You've got this standard fit middle swoosh logo Nike hoodie, and this one is in the blue color, the light blue color. I definitely like this. It looks very thick and nice, like always. And yeah, honestly, these hoodies are my best. They're only like $12, $10, and the quality is just insane. I like how it all looks like. You've got this L badge, as you can see, size L. Let's wear it now, let's see how it all fits. So yes guys, how the hoodie looks on me. And yeah, honestly, this hoodie, you can't really go wrong with that. It's just my best one. And the thickness, the whole materials are just great. And as for the price of like $10, it's just mind-blowing to me. Put the link down in the description. Okay guys, let's see what's in this pouch once again. And I already can tell you this is also the Nike hoodie. But this one instead is in this black/navy color. This is how it all looks like. You can see you've got the Nike logo stitching here in the middle part. And yeah, the materials are absolutely the same. We've got the same cotton, 100% cotton material. And yeah, the hoodie looks just insanely good to me. Let's wear it now. Let's see how it all fits once again. Okay guys, so this is how this hoodie looks on me right now. It's also 100% the same as the previous one. And yeah, you've got this hoodie, which is looking fire to me. And yeah, the materials and measurements are just the same. See the logo here, and also have these laces that you can leash. So yeah, great hoodie. Okay, now here we have a box with the Nikes. But as you can see, it's quite destroyed. It's not that important, honestly. What is important are the shoes inside. And these are the Nike Air Force Ones. As you can see, this is how they all look like. They're very nice. They're very high quality. I used to review them in my couple of other videos. You can see them. You have the links down in the description. And yeah, the materials are absolutely nice. I like the Nikes. And I'm not going to talk a lot about them because I used to have them in my pretty much every single other video. This one is metal. You've got this Nike type leather. It's not like a fake leather or anything. It's the real leather. Real leather according to Nike, of course, because this one is just not great, as we all know. Yeah, it's just basically the one-to-one Nike Air Force One, but for a price that it should be listed of like $18 or so. So yeah, great shoes. Okay, here we have this a small item I ordered, but this one is the MagSafe holder for an iPhone, and this one was very cheap, honestly, but yeah, I have purchased this one. As you can see, it's metal, it's nice, and you can get yourself the iPhone connected to it. Let's see if it even works. Here's my iPhone, let's connect this. Yes, it holds it in place. It's not like very good fit because I have my case on, but let's just see without the case. So yes, without the case it's definitely better, definitely a tighter fit. It works. For as little as like $1 or so, it's pretty good. Okay guys, and in here we also have 4 remaining Stanley cups. I have purchased a little bit of them. Let's see how they all look like. We have the manuals, and here we also have some other things, and the Stanley cup. As you can see, the Quencher H2.0 tumbler 1.18 liter OZ stainless cap steel is here with us. As you can see, this is how it all looks like. You've got some manuals in here, and yeah, honestly, this one is just perfect. I really like the cup. The straw looks like this. It's very nice. It's transparent. This one is in a really different color. Let's see how it all looks like. You also get the straw, and the color is actually it's quite the same, honestly. Yeah, I don't really see much of a differences now. This one on the other hand is more of an apricot type of a color, a pretty different one. It's very similar to the rest of the ones, but yeah, this one is a little bit more yellowish, and yeah, it all looks just a bit different. And the last cup and last item in our package is obviously the Stanley Cup as well. Here we have it, guys, and this one is in the color, also the apricot color, as you can see. It looks quite nice, it's quite beautiful, to be honest with you. You might not actually see this thing as the apricot color in this lighting because the camera might actually be fooling you a little bit, but yeah, that's how it all looks like. Okay people, and that's it. That's for today's video. If you like this, please like this video. If you have some questions, please ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to just sign up to the Taoobuy with the links down in the description where you can get yourself such a nice haul for a very attractive price. I definitely recommend you guys getting it because it's pretty nice and you actually get to save a lot of money. So yeah, consider that. Thanks a lot and see you in the next video. Bye.